In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to save indicators inside of XM Trading. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to xm.com and then log into your account. Now from here it should be looking something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left hand corner and go over to the market section, where you'll be able to purchase or sell instruments like you would with any other broker. Once from here, you'll need to find your specific instrument, and you'll need to find that indicator that you want to save. Now let's go up to indicator and then find the specific indicator I want to save for this tutorial. Now let's just click advance or decline right here and then close this down. Once from here, to save it, you'll simply need to go up here to the right hand corner and go up to where you can save all charts for all symbol or intervals on your layout. Once from here, you'll need to save your new chart layout and give it a name. So let's just call it test 1. And then from here, you'll need to click save. Now once from here, you'll be able to see that it's called saved. And if you want to upload it, you'll simply need to manage it over here and then open layout. And then from here, you'll just need to choose your specific indicator that you have previously saved. But as I do it, if you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!